Hello everybody, I'm Yolanda, aka Creative Mommy of Two, and today I am going to show you how to do a latch hook kit. I'm going to make this image of two ladybugs. This one is a rug, it is 52 by 38 centimeters, so it's just a tiny one, but it's for my daughter, so it doesn't need to be big. I did unbox this, so I will put the link of that in the description. I'm just going to grab out the stuff that I need. That's this there. I'm going to grab the yarn that I need for this part, or at least for the part I am trying to do. Because I'm not going to do it all today. But you have here a legend. Let's focus on the ladybug. As you see, you have all the letters on there. And down here, you have a list of the DMC codes if you run out. This is the fabric itself. I'm going to turn it the way I can use it. Okay. Yeah. It says here on my symbol list, I'm going to hold you in the way I can see it. I don't know if it's your way. It says you need to have a row of 3 of the C versions, but I have here 1, 2, 3, and 1 on the edge that I will do as well. So that it has a nice finish along to the edge. I might be able that I do some here and not over there, but we'll see how it goes. Let's get you in a bit closer so I can see what I'm doing. So now you can see. In the kit I had a hook to do this with, but I have my own. It's just a little bit thicker than the one that came in the kit, so I will just use that. In the strands you have these, they are branded right here. You can just put them out. I'm just going to grab a few out. And they are all individual pieces. I'm going to put these right underneath the camera. Let's see. Yeah, you're still in focus. And then I'm going to show you how to do this. This has like a little hook part. That is the part we need. Yeah, I'm just going to show it here. So you poke it through here. I'm going to put it down. Make a little loop of the yarn. Put it on the hook end. Pull it through, but just enough so the hook is nice and true and not all the way. You poke it back up so the latch is over the yarn again. Put it over the latch and close it so you can pull it through. And then you have it attached. I usually just put it to one side so you can see what you did. I'm going to see if I can do the top part. Yeah. Pulling it through can be that you need to wiggle a bit because it not always wants to work along. Then I just use it to make to go up so I can see what I am doing. if I will put this down, I can't good see where I need to put it. So when I go put it all in the same direction and all away from me, I can nicely see that here's the next part. Put it through, make my loop in there, go down, go back up, put it through, and take it through it again. So let's see if I can put it in a better view, and let's see if we can get in closer. Oh, this is the maximum I can go. Sorry for my hands. So here I am. A piece of string, fold it in two, so you have a loop. Hold the ends close with your hand. Go through the place where you need to be. Place the loop inside the hook. Pull it through. Go back up. Put it over there. Close the flap. And pull it all the way through. And if you want, you can do as I do and just make it go back up again. So again, underneath, loop, down, and sometimes the other ones get in the way. Back up again, over there, and down. And we are keep doing this. Okay. I'm going to place my yarn here so you don't watch my arms the whole time. As I am right-handed, I start on the left side, but it's all up to you where you start. It's just what you think is easier for you. But there is no right or wrong way as long as you put your yarn on there. So I'm already going to make the 4 rows I need. Okay, so let's imagine that I am more over here. The only thing is with this canvas, oh, here's over here, where it says this part should be black. It's only this part here. When I put my grid over there, it says just on the top, just 3 E's. So that's the downside with, at least with this kit. You need to be really careful because what's printed on the canvas does not completely match the pattern. So I will just put them on a bit here so I can show you how I do this. Zoom you out a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. last one for this color. Okay, that is that little part, and as you can see, it will form like a little bit of a poofy place. So I'm going to put it all up, grab the yarn I need. Whoa, it almost fell out without me wanting it to fall out. So I'm just going to pluck out 4 of them, and then you create like these pieces where they stick out. So especially when you have more done of one color, it can be a pain in the behind to keep them together. So you might need to put them into a bag. And all the colors work the same. You just place the hook, put the loop in, go down, go back up, and pull them through. And there I had it not completely in. So I kind of ripped my thread. Okay, I needed one more. So I'm grabbing one more. Okay, let's see. These 3. Let's check it over here. That's the gray one. That's the gray one. And that's the gray one. This one wasn't, I believe. No. Okay. The pattern isn't just a little bit off. So I need to check every once in a while. When you did like a bigger section and you have like completely this filled in to the from the left, you're better aware of where you are on the pattern, so it isn't that hard. You just need to keep track of where you are. I'm just going to put 3 of these here, because that is what my pattern is saying that I need to have. And then in this little row, I again place 2 of the yellow ones. And then my pattern says I need to have a black one over here and one over here, and the rest needs to be yellow. So even though this row I'm not doing, I will place it just to show you. 1 here, 1, 2, 3 yellow ones. And then I am going to do a yellow one at the end, so I end the row where I want it. So I can work in strips. Well, normally I start completely on the left here, then I work to there or wherever I want, and then I go down so I can better see where I am. So as you see, this will start forming. The more you do, the better, the clearer the image will be. But it's just this little corner here that I've done, and some bit over here. So it doesn't going to show much detail as of yet, but the more you do, the more of the image will become clear. I hope you see how I did this. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you think it's not clear enough, please also let me know, and I can do a next video with this kit if you like to see this, and answer the questions you have about this kit, about maybe how I do this when I did a bigger piece of it, or I don't know what your questions can be. So let me know, and I will show you the finished product in another video. I can show you, however, let's walk around the table a little bit. I can show you the one that I bought at the same time. So you can see a little bit of, zoom out a bit more. That's more like it. Okay. This is a butterfly and these are the tips of the wings. So as you see, the more you do, the more clearer the image is. This is where two threads were stuck together, and I had, like, instead of two of these, I had like one like this, like a really long one. I decided to just put it in, but I had with this kit too much. Where did it happen? So I'm now going to cut them loose before I place them instead of afterwards, because here I have them where they are along. I've got them over here, got one here. So yeah, with this one I need to get a scissor and just cut them off. So yeah, as you see, it is quite colorful. But this is quite colorful and I need to think a lot about this one, so I thought I will just open the other one and do a how-to video with this one. Just so you don't get confused from the beginning. That would be not great. So I hope you liked it. If you do, please let me know by either giving me a comment or giving this video a thumbs up. I hope to see you next time. Bye!